Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about fully funded scholarship program in UK in 2023. The scholarship program is offered by the Queen Mary University of London. This university is a public university and it has a very good reputation in its research field. And also, Queen Mary University of London is one of the top 125 universities in the world. So if you want to know about their ranking and reputation in past few years, you will see the ranking and reputation was very good. If you want to know more details about Queen Mary University of London, then you can check all this detailed information from their official website. Now let's talk about the scholarship program and who are eligible for the scholarship program. This is fully funded scholarship program. It doesn't require any application fees. There has no age limit. Any nationality can apply for the scholarship program, either from UK students or from an international student. Now let's talk about who can apply for the scholarship program. So for this particular scholarship program, only for the female students who graduated on IT or CSC. If you are looking for your master's in artificial intelligence, computer science, data analytics, or computer games, then this is the one for you you can look at. For the African students, the good news is for them. I think from Africa, both gender are eligible for this scholarship to participate on it. So yeah, so let's see in details. I prepared this PDF file. If you want to check or if you want to download, you can get the link from my channel description. Now let's start. So detail about Queen Mary Dickman Scholarship Program in 2023. The university name is Queen Mary University. The country host is United Kingdom. The program level they offer for master's level. Financial coverage, it will be for fully funded. Number of award, it will be for only 5. And deadline is 5th of June 2023. So now let's see what are the courses are available for this Dickman Scholarship Program. So you can see MSc in Artificial Intelligence. They offer MSc in Computer Sciences, MSc in Machine Learning for Visual Data Analytics, and the last one is MSc in Computer Games. So only these four courses are available for your masters for this Deepman Scholarship Program. Without this four program, if you apply any other program in Queen Mary University, you will be not eligible for this Deepman Scholarship Program. So just keep that in mind. Now let's see the benefits. What benefits you can get from the scholarship program. So for UK students, it will cover their tuition fees, which is 2,250 euro. For international students, it will cover their tuition fees, which is 28,950 euro. It will cover living expenses, which is 15,480 euro. Annual travel scholarship cost, it will cover, which is 2,200 euro. And the last one is one-off equipment grant, which is 1,700 euro. So I think all this amount for the scholarship program is pretty good, right? Now let's see what are the eligibility criteria for this particular scholarship program. So everyone from any nationality can apply to either the UK or an international student. Should be a female or belong to any underrepresented group, especially Black students. So I covered these two parts, right? Like any nationality can apply from UK or international student, and also this scholarship program is only for the female student, and especially Black students from both gender, they can actually eligible for this particular scholarship program. So the last one said confirm offer to study any of the available courses. That means you have to apply in Queen Mary University for this particular uh, courses. And once you receive your admission letter or confirmation letter from Queen Mary University, then you can proceed for the demand scholarship program. So without uh, admission letter or offer letter, you will be not eligible for demand scholarship program. So just keep that in mind. Now let's see what are the documents you required for demand scholarship program. So first, you need to complete the application form. Then you need your updated Eurobus CV. You need your offer letter from Queen Mary University. And the last one is personal statement of a maximum word limit, which is 500 words. So you cannot cross this word limit. You have to write your personal statement within 500 words. So that's all you need for your demand scholarship program. Now let's see what are the deadline of this particular scholarship program. So you can see the deadline is for the application is 5th of June 2023. So I want to mention something in here, like if you are preparing yourself for the scholarship program, then you have to keep that in mind is you have to apply for your postgraduate program minimum 2 months before the deep mind scholarship program deadline, because when you apply in Queen Mary University for your postgraduate program, it will take time like 4 to 5 weeks to uh, give you the offer letter or the admission letter from them. So after that, you can actually apply for this demand scholarship program. So just remember that you have to apply uh, minimum 2 months before the deadline of the demand scholarship program. Now let's talk about how you can apply. So Queen Mary postgraduate application link. So I already attached the um, Queen Mary postgraduate application link in here. If you want to apply directly from here, you can do it. And just remember one thing is you have to apply first for your postgraduate program in Queen Mary University. And then once you receive your admission letter or offer letter from them, then you can proceed for the demand scholarship program. And another thing is, if your country is not English speaking country, then you may require IELTS minimum score, which is 5.5 for your master's program. Without a score, you will not be able to get the unconditional letter. Without unconditional letter, you will be not allowed for to participate on demand scholarship program. So just remember that. Now let's see how you can apply with this link, like for your postgraduate program in Queen Mary University. This is their uh, official website, Queen Mary University of London. So from here, you can directly apply um, your chosen course for your master's. So I chose NSC Artificial Intelligence. So you can see all this detailed information in here, right? The deadline for the application and everything. See the deadline of the application and starting date of the course. And also here is a link where you can click and register and upload your all documents and information in there for your application, for your post-graduation application. So I cannot access now because this is 2023. So in 2024, when they will open their portal, I will show you step by step how you can apply in Queen Mary University. For now, you just know all this detailed information and just take your preparation for 2024. Then I will make another video for that, like step by step how you can apply in Queen Mary University of London for your postgraduate program. So once you receive your admission letter or your offer letter from Queen Mary University, then you have to download this DeepMind Scholarship application form. This application form link you will get from here, so you can directly download from here. So you can see the DeepMind Scholarship. You have to choose the program you receive your offer letter or your admission letter. Then you have to put your all details information in here. You have to fill up all this. And the important note is, if you are selected to receive the scholarship, the admission office must have to convert it your conditional offer to unconditional offer by 31st of July 2023. So as I said before, like, you need to convert it your conditional offer to unconditional letter. That means if you receive without IELTS a conditional offer, then make sure you need to convert that conditional letter to unconditional letter within this time. Like, you have to submit your IELTS score and everything, so that you can receive the unconditional letter from them. Then you will be able to receive the scholarship program. In here, you have to write your personal statement, then signature, then mention the date. That's all. That's how you will actually fill up your application form. Once you're done with your application form, then you have to attach your application form with your updated CV, your Queen Mary University offer letter. All together, you have to send in this email address. Once you send it, then you have to wait until 5 to 6 weeks to uh, to receive the information about your uh, scholarship program. Like, you are eligible. I mean, you are actually win the scholarship or not. You will know everything, but you have to wait until like 4 to 5 weeks or more than 5 weeks, I guess. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope this will help you all. If you have any inquiry about your application or anything, so you can actually write me a comment, or you can send me an email. I will respond you all as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe for the future videos. And thank you for watching.